some hills to climb. I've had some weary days and some lonely nights. But when I look around, and I think things over. You know what? All of my good days outweigh my bad days. I won't complain. Can I say it one more time? I've had some good days. I've had some hills to climb. I've had some weary days and some sleepless nights. But when I look around, and I think things over, all of my good days outweigh my bad days. I won't complain. Sometimes the clouds hang low. I can hardly see the road. I asked the question, Lord, why so much pain? But He knows what's best for me. Although my weary eyes, they can't see. So I'll just say, thank you, Lord. I won't complain. God has been so good to me. Have you been good? He's been good to me. More than this whole world or you could ever be. He's been so good. Tell me, you know what He did? He dried all of my tears away. Turned my midnights into day. So I'll just say thank you, Lord. I've been wrong, but thank you, Lord. I've been talked about, but thank you, Lord. I've been misunderstood, but thank you, Lord. You might be sick, body rocking pain, but thank you, Lord. The bills are due. Don't know where the money coming from, but more than this whole world. Are you good?